Hi, good afternoon. How are you today?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, now can you please tell me about your present job?
My present job, I go to Lebanon. I go to Lebanon 2007. I finished contract there. And 2011, by November, I will go to Ras Al Khaimah. Sorry, I'm only full-time maid. I'm only cleaning for the food house. I work for 15 hours.
15 hours a day.
7 to 9 o'clock.
Mm. Okay, and by the way, what is the nationality of your employer?
My madam is Pakistan and my son is Canadian.
Hmm. And how many members in the family total?
Have three kids and one grandpa and husband and wife. Six persons.
Six. Hmm. Okay, and how old are the children, by the way?
The eldest is 11 and the second 10 and the youngest is 7. Two girl and one boy.
Hmm. Alright, so what is the main reason why you decided not to continue to work with them?
Because the reason that I decided that I do not continue to finish my contract because I cannot manage all the cleaning for the house. It's because it's a big house.
So since you're looking for a new employer because of that reason, how much would be the minimum salary you'd ask this time?
Expected minimum salary is either 2,000.
And what do you like to do most in the house? Cleaning, cooking, or babysitting?
Actually, mom, I want even cleaning, cooking. It's like I know how to cook, but I'm willing to learn everything.
What type of food can you cook?
Filipino food, and sometimes I cook Arabic food like salata, but not too much. It's like
Okay. And in babysitting, what is your first action when a baby cries out loud? When you see a baby crying, what will you do?
the you play. I play for her, and then I will feed for her if she's feeling hungry, and I do something for happiness for her.
And if the employer is not in the house, then the child gets sick. What is the first thing that you need to do?
The first thing I need to do must be call my employer to tell him that her baby is sick and give medicine for her for treatment.
Okay, and what is your hobby?
Sometimes I see movie in television
And how long do you want to work here in UAE? How many more years you want to stay here?
until I can work because nobody knows. Even I'm 38 years old, nobody knows. Maybe 5 years until I can work.
Okay, so do you think you will be a good helper to your new employer and why?
Yes, ma'am. I do my best that my employer is trust for me.
Mhm. Okay, well, I think that's all. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.